Hajj means be determined. When Hajj was made compulsory. 9 after Hijri. Hajj is not completed unless you go to Arafat. For whom Hajj is compulsory. The rich. Qurbani mean holy slaughtering is made during Hajj at Daesh. Mina. Daesh is recited during Hajj on the way to Mina. Kalma Tawheed. Imam Muslim ibn Hajjaj compiled Daesh Ahadith. 12,000. Hajj was made obligatory in Daesh after Hijri. 9. How many types of Hajj are there? 3. How many farais are there in Hajj? 3. During Hajj, hunting of animals is Daesh. Prohibited. How many sunnahs are there in Hajj? 6. Daesh is Hajj Ashar. Umrah. For whom Hajj is obligatory? Sahib Tawfiq. How many khutbahs are there in Hajj? 3. On 9th Zilhajj, which khutbah is delivered on Nimra Mosque? 2nd. Which month is Zilhajj in Islamic calendar? 12th. Who was the Amir of first ever Hajj? Hazrat Abu Bakr. On 11th Zilhajj, which khutbah is delivered on Khaif Mosque? 2nd. Thanks for watching.